Hi, welcome to your AM meditation number 1. This one is all about calm, so bringing some peaceful energy into our day today. And it's only 5 or 6 minutes long, so let's get started. You can find a comfortable seat, close down the eyes. Know that you could be sitting in a chair, on the floor with some support, or you could even be lying down in bed. Let's just ease the pressure off the shoulders, let them relax, and tune into the connection of your sit bones to the floor, to the earth. Finding long, slow inhales through the nose. And then an exhale out of the mouth, just letting 1 or 2 sighs go here at the beginning to ground down and to land into your meditation practice. Again, big breath in and a sigh. Feeling that decompression on your exhale. And then let the breath settle into a very natural rhythm. And start up that observer within. So stepping into this role of noticing our surroundings, noticing the thoughts. Here, notice how you feel. What are you bringing onto the cushion today? Sitting with yourself for these precious moments of time. Embracing the stillness and the quiet. Feel the back of your neck. Encourage that space to get a little bit longer. Lifting the crown of the head up towards the ceiling to really feel your spine and the space between each vertebrae. The strong structure of your body holding you up tall with an open heart. Just let the rest of your tissues kind of float. Softening into a place of compassion for your day, a place of calm and focus. A place of presence that is one of the beautiful gifts that meditation offers. Presence. Let's start to take a deeper breath in and out. Bring the hands up to heart center. Inviting this presence to leave the seat that you've chosen with you so that you can carry this calm through your day. Inhale fully up the spine and sigh. Opening the eyes whenever you're ready. Beautiful. Enjoy your day.